So the Corsair K70 Pro Mini wireless keyboard is a wireless mechanical keyboard that, on paper, checks a lot of boxes for any keyboard enthusiast. I got the white version with a silver base and I really like the clean look it has. This also has no bezels and white see-through keycaps, but don't be fooled by its clean looking exterior. There are some problems inside the device that I want to talk about. Let's get into it. So the K70 Pro Mini wireless is packed with specs. It's got Cherry MX Speed Silver switches, a hot-swappable PCB so you can change to any 3-pin switch to your liking, white PBT see-through keycaps, RGB lighting compatible with iQ, and wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or its SlipStream dongle. So the main issue I have with this keyboard is it's not really great for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. Number one, the stabilizers are horrible. They are lightly lubed, not balanced, and had ticking noises. Number two, the Speed Silver switches aren't lubed. I had to lube them, and even after doing so they sounded a little bit scratchy. Number three, there is no switch foam between the steel plate and the PCB board, which means that the switches don't get to transfer any impact energy through the board, just the top steel plate instead. This results in a clacky noise with some wobble from the switches. Now I did 3 mods for the keyboard, the tape mod, the cotton swab mod for the stabilizers, and I also lubed the switches. Adding foam to the inside of the case did not result in any noise difference, nor is it possible to get a thockier sound due to the lack of PCB foam between the plate. There's also a second board inserted after the battery, which is probably Corsair SlipStream technology. That will also prevent this keyboard from sounding anything like a sandwich style mechanical keyboard that enthusiasts will like. Here's what the board sounded like after all my mods. Now this keyboard is great for gamers. After doing research on a mechanical keyboard that has a really great response time, I found that Artings did a study where this is purported to have the fastest wireless response time. This is what tipped the scales for me as I was deciding if I should get a budget mechanical keyboard or this one, since it was on sale at Best Buy for around $110. While SlipStream tech is great, I found little difference between a generic mechanical wireless keyboard and the K70 Mini. I don't have any tools that can measure input response time. I only used this website and numbers were equivalent to a regular mechanical wireless keyboard. But I noticed there were absolutely no input drops with the K70 Mini Wireless Pro. With my generic wireless keyboard, every once in a while there would be some sort of lag, but not frequent enough to make a difference during gaming. So overall, the heavy price tag of $170 is way too much for this keyboard. It's not great for enthusiasts trying to get a nice thocky sounding keyboard, but it's good for gamers looking to get a solid wireless gaming experience. So hopefully Corsair can create something that appeals to the custom mechanical keyboard enthusiasts in the future, all while having that SlipStream tech that saves headaches when gaming wirelessly. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Until next time.